What's up, YouTube? This is Atticus from The Complete Trade, and today we're going to take a look at Cleanspark stock. Starting off, Bernstein, an asset management company, stated that it's time to buy the dip on Bitcoin mining stocks like Riot and Cleanspark. Quoting Bernstein, Bitcoin mining stocks have underperformed in recent weeks, but any weakness in the near term represents a potential buying opportunity. Bitcoin mining stocks are facing two headwinds following the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. First is lower investor appetite to use them as a proxy, and second is a weaker Bitcoin price, resulting in further underperformance. Just to explain what Bernstein means when they say Bitcoin mining stocks like Cleanspark are proxies, the value of Cleanspark stock is directly connected to the price of Bitcoin. So for some people who don't trust cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase and Binance, you can instead purchase Bitcoin mining stocks like Cleanspark as an alternative investment in order to directly benefit from Bitcoin's price appreciation. So if Bitcoin reaches our $175,000 price target, the value of Cleanspark stock should rise as well. Okay, so let me explain why I'm not concerned about what Bernstein just said in regards to investors not using Bitcoin miners as proxies. Market makers, just like me and you, are human beings, and all human beings are greedy for more money. There is very little upside in buying Bitcoin because the market cap of Bitcoin is way too high. Bitcoin's market cap is already close to $800 billion. It takes a lot of money and capital to push the price of Bitcoin higher. On the other hand, the market cap of Bitcoin mining companies like Mara, Cleanspark, and Riot is only at a few $1 billion. It's a lot easier to push the stock price of Bitcoin miners higher. There is no way market makers are going to settle for a 4x on Bitcoin when they can easily pump the price of Cleanspark stock 40x from today's prices. Oh, and by the way, Cleanspark is JP Morgan's #1 Bitcoin mining pick for the bull markets. Okay, moving into the charts, in the last Cleanspark episode, we had a price target in the $5 to $6 region. Cleanspark stock briefly dropped into the $6 region before rebounding higher. In fact, when Bitcoin dropped below $40,000 this week, Cleanspark stock did not drop at all, which is bullish for the short term. In the short term, we believe Cleanspark stock is showing strength and a bounce is on the horizon. Our short-term price target on Cleanspark stock is a retest of the red supply trend line at around $8. The worst case scenario in the short term is that Cleanspark stock drops to roughly $6.18, which is where the 100 weekly moving average in orange, the blue 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, and the white 1.618 trend-based fib extension are all located. From there, Cleanspark stock should get a bounce. After all, the stock is down 50% over the past few weeks. In regards to what I'm doing nothing. As stated before, I am not a short-term trader. As stated in previous videos, we sold most of our cryptocurrency holdings on the day the Bitcoin ETF was launched. I am waiting for Bitcoin to retest the lower $30,000 region before purchasing cryptocurrency stocks like Coinbase and Cleanspark. The pre-halving Bitcoin correction we've been talking about for a few weeks now may take weeks, if not months, to play out. But rest assured, we are extremely confident that Bitcoin will retest the lower $30,000 region in 2024. That being said, I know some of you are extremely eager to purchase crypto at the moment. Listen, if you guys purchase Cleanspark stock today and you can hold for the next few years, you should be very happy in 2026. Our long-term price target at $300 remains unchanged. Okay, moving into some indicators, starting with momentum. As you can see, as Cleanspark stock was forming higher highs on the weekly time frame, the momentum indicator was printing lower highs. This is a great example of bearish divergence as price hit the red 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. We do believe Cleanspark stock has formed a very significant top, and we will get an opportunity to buy Cleanspark stock inside the blue Fibonacci retracement support area. Shifting gears to the RSI, the bearish divergence on the RSI indicator is still playing out. As stated in the last Cleanspark video, we are waiting for the daily RSI to hit the oversold region before buying. So we want to see a daily RSI reading under 30. The current RSI reading is at 38.44. Taking a look at the MACD indicator, the bearish momentum over the past week has definitely declined. But regardless, the MACD looks terrible. As stated before, the histogram on the MACD hasn't been this low since the beginning of the bear markets back in November of 2021. If we take a look at the MACD on the weekly time frame, we can see a bearish MACD cross is on the horizon. Closing things off with the Cleanspark against Mira valuation, nothing much has changed. Price continues to cling onto the golden ratio support, which is the blue 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. As stated before, at some point in the bull market, this chart is going to have a pop to the upside. And when that happens, Cleanspark stock will outperform Mira. It does make sense from a market cap perspective. Cleanspark's market cap at $1.3 billion is a lot lower than Mira's market cap at $3.4 billion. It takes a lot less money and capital to pump Cleanspark stock as opposed to Mira stock. Okay, just to summarize, in the short term, we expect a bounce for Cleanspark stock before more downside, and our long-term price target at $300 remains unchanged. Okay, so that's my analysis on Cleanspark stock for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.